Come on, Bo. Oh, she's got shoes. What'd you find? You got shoes? Ava. Yeah, are you gonna put your shoes on? Come on, you put them on. Put your shoes on. Mommy, you do it. You do it, Mom. Uh-oh. Come here. Ava, come here. Come here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You handed them to me? Thank you. Thank you. Bring him here. Thank you. I can't reach. Gotta bring him. Bring him here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Boo. Uh-oh. What you see?